blow your mind. Because I love technology, I love education, I love the future. But the version of America you believe in doesn't love any of that. Not until it hurts them. And this right here, this is why they don't want you woke. Here's what's being ripped from under you. Your housing, your healthcare, your education, your dignity. They're slashing Medicaid, killing food programs, evicting families, defunding schools, while ICE gets billions to raid homes at night and put innocent people in cages. And you're still blaming immigrants. They're the reason your food is affordable. They're the reason your hospitals run. They're not your enemy. They're your saviors. But you were too blind to see it. The son-in-law cashed a $2 billion check from oil-rich royalty with gold-plated gates and didn't invest a single cent in your city. Trump towers are rising in Dubai, golf courses in Qatar, private deals with men in robes and no conscience. His son's cutting ribbons while your schools close. BlackRock, KKR, Wall Street suits. They're moving your pensions, your tax money, your future into smart cities you'll never visit. Crypto hubs, AI labs, surveillance towers, digital luxury playgrounds built in the Gulf. And you're left with potholes, overdraft fees, and expired dreams. I'm a tech person. I love innovation. I want to live in those smart cities. I want bullet trains, not broken buses. And if I had the money, I'd invest overseas too, because they're building what we should be building. Mexico City is more advanced than us. Dubai is cleaner. Qatar is smarter. Even the trains in Africa are more modern than ours. I always knew this was a global economy, but we got fed Hollywood. We got fed ego. We got fed fake nostalgia and forgot to evolve. America ties, Earth ties, right, you were first. America ties, Earth ties, right, you were never first. America ties, Earth ties, right, you were never first. America ties, Earth ties, you were never first. And to the ones still scrolling, still sleeping, still sipping their fake safety, La La Land doesn't protect you. Silence won't save you. Your comfort is a drug, and the crash is coming. America doesn't want to be great. It wants you to feel great while blaming your neighbors and ignoring the billionaires robbing you blind. You're fighting the wrong fucking people. Ignorance is bliss until it bankrupts your kids. Educate your damn self, and don't say you didn't know, because I'm putting it right here in your fucking face, and I'm putting it in a song for the people in the back who think silence makes them safe. It's not too late to be woke and rise the fuck up.